Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel it's about how to make money online, tips and tutorials and website review. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you're interested to make money online selling digital products, a sticker, it's one of them, and it's so simple to make and you don't need to have a skill to know how to do it. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a sticker pack or a sticker sheet so that you can sell here on Etsy. Also, there is another website that you can sell stickers. There is Redbubble, there is Printful. There are so many print on demand websites. So not necessarily that you need to sell stickers. You can familiarize yourself with other products that are sold here or any other website, learn how to make them, and then post your products on those websites. So guys, on today's video we need to use our Canva as always. So let's get started. We need to come here to Canva, click on and create design. Sorry, let me come back here. So we need to come here to custom size. We are going to use 8 by 11. So if you don't have an idea of what you can create, it's inches. If you don't have an idea of what you can create, you can go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas to create stickers for kids. Yeah, and it's going to generate for you several ideas, so that if you don't have ideas. So for today's, we are going to use that for kids. So let's get started. And also another thing, you can use the ready-made templates here on Canva, and also you can choose to create your own. And currently the work, it's much easier there because there is artificial intelligence involved, meaning you can just give artificial intelligence a prompt and it generates the sticker or any other design you want. So let's get started. We need to come here. So the first thing that we need to come is to give a name of our sticker. So we can write digital stickers. So let me bring it here. So we can change the font a little bit. So let me use this. Or we can add an effect. So let's choose that. So let me add another word, kids. Let's change the font, and I love so let me choose another one. We can go with this one. So let me also give an effect. Also, we can choose to change the color. So the first thing that we need to do, let's change a bit of the background so that we can know. Yeah, so it's a bit appealing. So for the one that we are going to use, we can choose to use the farm animals for the stickers. So the first one that we can use here, it's we can use cow. So I'm going to choose any. I'm going to resize it here. Let's go with a goat. So we're just going to choose the one that we feel. So this one, it's a bit better. So I'm just choosing them all at once, and then we edit one by one. There is a chicken, there is pig, So let me add that there is a pig. So I'm just adding a few of the animals. So we can choose to add a dog, a cat. So these are not farm animals, but I'm just trying to add them so that they can fit here. So another one that we can add, let's add a cat. Graphics, we are going to choose any. Let's go with this one. So another one that we can add, we can use a goose or a duck. So let's see. So we are remaining with 2. So I'm going to choose randomly. Let me go with this one. So another one, we can choose to add a donkey. Let's add a donkey. So let's go with this one. So at least we have our images here. So the next thing that we can do here is to animate them to a sticker. So we just need to click on one image, click on edit image. So in my previous video I showed you how you can create a single sticker instead of a. So let's go to effects, come to shadow, come to glow. Then we need to scroll. We need to increase blur to 0. Size, we choose the one that we like, and also this one we need to get it to 100. So this one we need to change the color. So the color for white is FFFFF. So here it is. So if you want to change the intensity, we can do that. So you can see how cute it looks. So we just need to do the same for all the images here. So we choose a dark, come to edit image, come to shadow, come to glow, then scroll down. For the blur, we tick it to 0, intensity 100. For the color, if you don't know the white, you just write FF and it will be there. So for the size here, we need to increase it a bit so that we can see the blur. So a bit cute. So I'm going to do the same for all the products and I'll show you the final product. So look how cute they look. So if you want maybe to check them, you can enlarge them. Look, this one, it's so cute. And want maybe to add some words, you can choose to add maybe one word with its name. And also there is an idea also, you can create stickers with alphabets. Let's say you choose one, dog, cat, yeah. So you can also choose to add the names. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can add quotes and convert them to stickers. Although it's the same process, it's just that it's some words that you can generate, write them here, edit them, and then they will be in sticker form. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. So guys, see you in my next video. So I'm preparing this because I'm going to use it. Yeah, so look how cute they look. Also, you can choose maybe to use one by one, but as a sheet, look how cute they are. So guys, that's it for today. See you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.